Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am back with the LW-PX900 and I'm going to show you how to save and recall labels, plus a bonus, how to group print previously saved labels all at once. First, I'm going to show you how to save and recall a label. So I already have the information typed on my label that I want to save. So to save, all I have to do is hit the File button. And you can use that to save or retrieve labels. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Now you can see I've got a couple of different options. So I can save, recall, or delete from here. And just using the keyboard, you select which you want. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Return on Save. Now it's going to save your label automatically in the next numeric order. You can choose that number if you want, but you can't name the file with this printer. So I'm just going to go ahead and let it put in the next numeric order and hit Return. It's going to give me a preview of my label and just say, is this what you want? And this is where you want to save it. And I will just confirm by hitting Return. It's going to think for a minute and now it has saved the label. Now it brings you to this end question mark. So it's just asking you if you're done in the file folder. And I am, so I can go ahead and hit Return. If you wanted to go back up and recall a label or delete something, you can do that too. But I'm going to go ahead and just hit Return to end that feature. Next, I'm going to show you how to group print previously saved labels. So to do that, again, I'm going to go back into the File folder, and now you'll see there's an option in here that I didn't mention before. It's called Print. So I'm going to go ahead and use my cursor to go down to Print and hit Return. Now this is going to bring you to all of your saved labels, and I can go in there and I can set up a print queue and pick and choose which ones from all of my saved labels I want to print, and I can batch print them all at once. So once you've got them all selected, which you'll note that they're selected by the little asterisk next to them, so you can select as many as you want, and when you're ready, just go down and hit Start Print. All right, so I go ahead and push Start, and now it's going to print all the labels that I selected from the File folder. All right, so I've got my group of labels. You can see I had the half cut on, so it half cut each of my labels separate from each other, and it batched them all at once. Now you know all the capabilities of the File function with the PX900. If you have questions on this printer or any others in the lineup, please feel free to reach out. We would be happy to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling!